Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to sign up World Finance account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I have opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in my.loansbyworld.com. Press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official login interface of World Finance. If you already have the account, you can log into your account from here. But if you want to create the account for yourself, simply click on this option, sign up. Now you'll be led to the sign up interface. You'll be able to sign up for your account. All you have to do is enter your email address and create a password for yourself. So click on the field of email address and enter your email address. Make sure to enter the correct email address. Now after you do that, you'll have to create a password for yourself. Click on the field of password. Now simply create a very strong password for yourself. Likewise, confirm the password. Simply enter the password again. Now after doing that, what you have to do is check on this box. I agree to the privacy policy and terms of service. If you want to sign up for promotional emails, simply check on this box, sign up for promotional emails. Now scroll down. Now what you have to do is click on this option, create account. Now you can see over here, you'll have to verify your email address. You'll be able to see the email address that you provided over here. Simply click on this option, send code. Now once you do that, a verification code will be sent to you via email. So go to new tab, click on the search bar, type in gmail.com, press enter. Now you can see over here Gmail has been opened. World Finance has sent me the email. Simply click on it. Now in this email you'll be able to see the code. Memorize this code. Go back to the sign up tab. Now what you have to do is enter that code over here. Now after you enter the verification code, click on this option, verify code. Now you can see over here your email address has been verified. Simply click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll have to set up two-step verification. All you have to do is provide your phone number over here. First of all, select the country code. The country code available is United States only, so simply click on it. Now click on the field of mobile phone number and enter your mobile phone number over here. You'll have to enter a valid mobile phone number. After you do that, click on this option, send verification code. Now verification code will be sent to you via message. What you have to do is simply enter that verification code over here. Now after you enter the verification code, what you have to do is click on this option, verify code. Now your mobile number will be verified and you'll be able to proceed to other steps. Now after you do that, simply follow through the prompts and your account will easily be created. After creating your account, you can use it to manage your loan, make payments and potentially set up recurring payments. So like this, you'll be able to create the account. So that is how you create World Finance account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.